Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and today what we're going to start on is a little kitchen remodel. You see, so what we have here is we have a dishwasher and a gas range with a gas range here, electric oven here, vent here. Now one thing I can say already I don't like about this vent is that it don't go outside, right? It doesn't go in up to the roof, and it doesn't go through the back wall. Trust me, I already checked. So these are going to be replaced here. Gas range I replaced. Electric is an electric oven. That's going to get replaced with something else. And then we have down over here a microwave, which will probably stay. Who knows though? And this sink here. I like the sink. That's going to stay. I might be changing out this faucet. And listen to this. You hear that? There's a garbage disposal that doesn't work. And chances are, we can see down in here, deep into the bowels of the garbage disposal. But yeah, it's probably rusted. Yes, I've already checked the bottom. Usually you can insert a wrench up underneath the bottom of these things. Give it a little turn to free it up, and no, that's tightly tight. And we might look at this thing here, which, oops, for the most part is, I think it does something. Yeah, so that there's like a, I believe an instant hot water spigot. And that's not really hot water though. We'll see what we're gonna do with that. Like I said, so we had a couple ovens here. Dishwasher, hood, and yeah, I'm going to be doing this little kitchen remodel. I said little because the lights are fairly newly done, from what I understand. Cupboards, they like the oak, so that's staying. Now the countertop here is going to have a little bit of modification when we go and put in the new range. The new range is something special, and this cupboard here might go away, or it might have to be shortened to match this cupboard height. Not too sure what we're doing about that yet either. So, this is sort of thing is something you want to see or have some input on. Go ahead and leave some comments below. If, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll put these all in the kitchen remodel package, show, whatever it's called. Anyways, questions, comments, leave them below, and stay tuned for more videos. I think the next one after this will be actually uninstalling these appliances here. And the dishwasher, that'll get swapped out all in one video, one long video probably. And when you're doing a kitchen remodel, one of the reasons is you want to add maybe some resale value to the home, or you just want to do some upgrades, to make things more nice, more livable, whatever. You think about selling your house and then you upgrade it, and then you're like, nah, I don't want to sell this house. So that's not the purpose here, I guess. The purpose here is that they just want something new that might bring up a resale value later on. Who knows? All I know is I'm here to do some work, and work will be done. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.